Hey everyone, welcome back to the podcast where dentists learn to enjoy accounting. I'm Rado from Bookminder, and today we're talking about what you really need to do when starting your practice from scratch. Not the Instagram version of Startup Dentistry, the real version. The version, oh wow, everything is so expensive and insurance pays slower than dial-up internet. Starting a dental practice from scratch is huge. It's exciting, it's overwhelming, and it's expensive. But if you set up your accounting foundation early, your budget, your software, your bookkeeper, your CPA, your bill pay, your payroll, only a few things, you'll build a practice that grows clean, strong, and profitable. Let's jump in. Step one, create a startup budget. Before you buy equipment, before you pick paint colors, and before you convince yourself you need a CBCT on day one, you need a startup budget. A startup budget tells you three things: how much building this practice will cost, how much it will cost to run it every month, and how long can you survive before you start panicking. Break your costs into two buckets: startup and operating costs. Startup costs: build out, equipment, the fun but expensive stuff, legal, software, IT, marketing, deposits for initial capital and working capital. Don't forget the working capital. Furniture, the espresso machine, it's a non negotiable. Then monthly operating costs: staff wages, rent, office supplies, lab supplies, insurance, loan payments, bank and credit card charges, telephone, internet, and utilities, taxes and licenses. And be realistic about revenue. If your plan says you're doing 100K a month, by month three, I love the confidence, but I also love reality. A good budget creates clarity. A bad budget creates drama. If you need help with the budget, watch our other episodes, or even easier, drop us a comment below. Step 2, hire an accountant and a bookkeeper early, but know what they do versus what you should do. You need both an accountant and a bookkeeper, and ideally, that would be the same accounting practice or person. Your accountant, CPA, or enrolled agent helps pick your entity type, does the tax planning, advises on loan structure, help strategize the financial foundation. Make sure you don't accidentally create a tax nightmare. Your bookkeeper categorizes every transaction, reconciles your bank accounts, maintains your chart of accounts, prepares monthly financial statements, catches mistakes before they become expensive mistakes. It is a lot better if the accountant and the bookkeeper are the same entity. The reason is that regular bookkeepers can't perform the more complicated tasks, such as journal entries to clean up the balance sheet and prepare the books in shape for tax filing. This more advanced bookkeeping would be very handy if you're an S corp or if you plan to become one soon. I hope that also answered the question whether you can do the bookkeeping yourself. No, you can't, and you shouldn't. Your time is better spent elsewhere, and all the bookkeeping and all the categorization you have done will have to be redone anyways, because eventually you want it to be accurate. However, you or your admin can handle bill pay and upload receipts. Seriously, do not need to outsource bill pay early. It's pricey, it's unnecessary, and nobody cares about paying the bills more than you do. Choose the right accounting software. That's a step 3. If you're starting a practice in 2025 and you're thinking of using QuickBooks Desktop, it's not going to work out. Use Cloud Accounting, QuickBooks Online, or Zero. You get automatic bank feeds, real-time numbers. Cloud accounting helps you see problems early before they become, I hope, payroll clears kind of problems. Step 5, set the bill pay do it yourself as mentioned earlier to save money early on. Bill pay is simple and cheap if you do it yourself. Tools that work: your bank's bill pay, ramp.com, mercury.com, bill.com. But here's the thing: don't outsource bill pay early. Vendors charge a lot, and you don't have a staff of 20 yet. Build a simple workflow. Get the invoice, upload it, categorize it, approve it, pay it. This keeps vendors happy. Your cash is organized, and your bookkeepers sane. Set up payroll correctly from day one. That would be step 5. Payroll is not something to do yourself. unless you enjoy IRS letters, penalties, and stress rashes. Choose a payroll platform like Gusto, ADP, Paychecks. Payroll software should handle employee onboarding, PTO policies, that's paid time off, tax filings, W-2s, direct deposit, automatic stack payments. It's a lot easier to do direct deposits as opposed to handing checks. An important goal is to classify employees correctly. Rules changed recently. No 1099 hijinks. IRS hates that. Your CPA hates that. Everyone hates that. Good payroll setup equals fewer surprises and no late night panic. Starting a dental practice from scratch is huge. It's exciting, it's overwhelming, and it's expensive. But if you set up your accounting foundation early, your budget, your software, your bookkeeper, your bill pay, your payroll, you build a practice that grows clean, strong, and profitable. I'm Rado from Bookminder. If you have questions, drop us a line. Let us know what you think and what you want to discuss in our next episode. Thanks.